What is up, everyone, and welcome to another Custodial Monthly Training. This month, our very own Rob Gavlock will be taking us through the 5S program. As always, please watch the full video to get credit, and you will need to launch the 10-question knowledge retention from the LRN when you are finished. Charge any time used on this training to your district training number, the same number that you charge your half-hour break to, and use ND code 51.
So what is 5S? 5S is a system for organizational workspaces, like your JAs. It makes the work more efficient. It makes the work more effective. It also makes what you're doing safe. It focuses on putting things exactly where they belong. It keeps it clean. We shouldn't have any problems with that. We're OPP custodial. That's our job. Here's the 5S terms in the translations. On the left-hand side, there's the Japanese terms. I'm not going to embarrass myself and try to pronounce those. But on the right-hand side, there's the English translation. Sort, set in order. Shine, standardize, sustain. In the upcoming slides, I'm going to talk about what each one of those means. So where did 5S begin? It actually started as part of the Toyota Production System, or TPS, around the mid-20th century. This TPS is often referred to as lean manufacturing. Some of you may have heard that term if you've ever worked in a manufacturing facility or an industrial setting. That's a common term that was used. I came from the defense contracting industry. We did lean manufacturing there quite a bit. 5S is one component of TPS. It's a foundational element and a base of the Toyota Production System or lean manufacturing. What are some benefits of 5S? Reduce costs. You'll have a higher quality of your work. You'll see your productivity increase. You'll also see your coworkers' productivity increase. Your morale and your job satisfaction will increase as well. You'll also have a much safer work environment. Who wouldn't want to come to work and work a lot safer? To start 5S, you're going to sort. It's the first step. You're going to walk into an area, for you guys, probably your JAs. You're going to go through all your materials, equipment, all your chemicals. You're going to ask, what's the purpose of this? Do I really need it? When was the last time it was used? You're going to look at the expiration dates of things. Are these actual approved products? Who uses it? Is this something that even Custodail uses? Is this something that we should even have here? Does it really need to be here? Make a pile. Throw it out. If it's not needed, get rid of it. The next step in 5S is set in order. Basically, it's organizing your work area. It's having a place for everything in its place. If you take a look at the picture, there's a sample JA. Look how everything is nice, neat, organized. A shadow board of tools, perhaps. Discipline squares on the floor. If you look down, you'll see areas taped off in red. It's labeled cart, vacuum cleaner. There's also labeling on the racks. Visual cues. At a glance, you know that you're out of paper towels. How do you know? You look. There's no paper towels there. How do you know that paper towels are supposed to go there? It's labeled. On the floor, my trash cart's missing. How do I know my trash cart's supposed to go there? It's labeled. Everything is set in order. The next S in a 5S process, shine. This one shouldn't be too hard for us. Clean it. We are custodians. It's our job to clean. So let's get in there. Let's clean our JAs. The fourth S in a 5S program is standardize. You can accomplish this by having checklists for procedures, procedural labels, procedure signage. We have this in our JAs. We have fast draw operation charts for the Betco fast draw system. You go down through the steps. Anyone could operate the fast draw by just looking at the procedural chart. We need to have this for any specialized procedures that need to happen within the JAs. The final S in the 5S program is sustain. Sustain means to keep it going. Keep your hard work going. You didn't do this job in your JAs just to be done with it. You want to keep it going. It's an ongoing cycle. What are some ideas for sustainment? Perhaps a 5S scorecard. You could score your JA at the beginning, then see how much it's changed at the end. But one way to keep it going, perhaps your supervisor can come up on a monthly basis and do an inspection on it. A great way for sustainment. Next up, we'll show you a video on an entire 5S process that took place in a medical facility. In summary, 5S is sort. When in doubt, move it out. Set in order. A place for everything and everything in its place. Shine. Clean. Inspect. Standardize. Make up the rules and follow and enforce them. Sustain. Part of daily work, it becomes a habit. Keep it going. 5S, or any lean system, helps eliminate the waste. It streamlines the production, optimizes efficiencies. When you adopt that type of thinking, you make a commitment to put safety, organization, and effectiveness ahead of the deadlines, profits, and output. That's it for training. Head on over and take the short 10-question knowledge retention to get full credit for this training. Please make sure that you use the proper code on your time cards for this, which will be 51.000. Thank you.